All right, son. Hop in there and push the pedal. I don't think this works, but let's just check it.
Okay.
All right, well, let's see if it's just the battery
Daddy,
or if it's the whole wiring harness is shot. Let's see if it was just a dead battery.
it's not the battery.
Yeah. Okay, well, that gives us our answer. All right, well, we're done with this battery.
Are you getting the wheels off?
Oh, I'm just taking the motor compartment off.
Why?
You know, we need to put a new motor, well, a new module in. A new motor controller.
I'm gonna take one.
Cut your swing thing. Here, put these screws in the tray.
What?
Put these screws in the tray for me.
Here, put them in here. Look.
There you go. All right.
Oh,
Well, that's how it works.
sitting on the tire.
All right, here you go. You can throw the old wiring harness out. All right, so we got the MLToys upgraded wiring harness. I forget which one we got. 24 volt. There we go. We bought the 24 volt one. Okay. The nice thing about this, Bennett, is you get a brake pedal and a gas pedal, and the gas pedal is touch sensitive. So you can go slow if you want. 3.
This side is, this way.
There we go. I think this piece is 1/4 inch. Not a perfect fit, still a slight hole there, but it'll work. All right, here's the control panel. On-off switch for the batteries. Forward reverse selector. On-off, I'm gonna put that as the lights. Let's just make sure it'll fit in here. Okay. I didn't want to have to do this, but I think the motors are shot, so we gotta, pretty sure the motors are shot now. So maybe it was actually just the motors rather than the whole wiring harness for this thing, but hey, where's the screwdriver? Oh, you had it. Thanks. Well, I have to use it for this. I have to take the motor out. We need to pop out the motor, son. Here, I'll give it to you very soon. Do you want me to trade?
Yeah, trade.
Here you go. Trade.
No, that one.
Wait.
That one.
I need it.
No, that one.
All right.
That one. My tire is back. Okay.
All right. I know you want to put the tire back on, son, but we gotta get new motors.
No, tire is back up. Okay.
It's easy to swap out these motors on this machine.
It's down.
We'll just count the
Down.
teeth.
It's down.
Oh, thanks. It says 15, but we'll count. Let's see. 15 teeth. So that's all I gotta do. Get a 15 teeth and then whatever voltage you want. All right, got a replacement motor. It's actually the factory motor. Put one in on the other side, so I'm gonna throw this one in here. Go. Alright, put that wheel on the wrong side. Alright, there's this little retainer cap here. Oops. Now I had done a bit of soldering off camera, so just to review really quick what all I did. I extended the motor lines so I can easily attach them to the motors. I put my own battery lines in from back to the front. I need to solder those in. I have this I made. Soldered the lights up for the power. And then we just have a bunch of wires in here we gotta hook up yet. But alright, we'll start with hooking up the motors. Nice thing is if I have them backwards, I can just pop them out here and switch them. There we go. All right, time to wire up this relay here. Oh, yeah, you were holding a check.
Well,
all right, let's put a battery in here and see if I hooked it up the right way. Oop. Okay. On switch. On switch works. Gas. Well, one tire spins the right way, the other tire spins in reverse, but that is easily fixable.
I wanted to turn it off.
Smart.
Guys, I have to put the parts back together.
Yep. Alright, that should do it. Fire it up, push the gas, both spin forward. Flip to reverse, both spin backwards. Perfect. Over there.
I'm spinning. It's been so long.
All right. But it's time to put your car back together.
That is so dirty.
Hey. I mean the brake pedal. All right, should we put it right about here?
Yeah.
All right.
You need all down there. You need all screws. You need all sorts of screws, Daddy.
Yeah.
Okay, one on the bottom, and one on the right, and one up. And then one right here, one right there, one right there, and one right
Throw this piece back in here.
Daddy, I'm gonna sit on the screen. Okay? That's okay.
All right, I think this is a good spot for your control panel. So we should glue that in, I think, huh?
Yeah. I was just kidding you so you don't get hot.
All right, son, I think we'll put the pedal here. Does that sound good to you? Right here?
Yeah.
Sit down and test it out.
Oh, that's trash, trash.
Here, sit down like you're driving. Sit down like you're driving. Other foot. Is that good?
Yeah.
All right.
Yes, you found all the screw, Daddy. You found the screw.
All right, well, this thing should be...
Yes.
All right, here. Wait a minute. We need to clear the way for Bennett to drive.
See? Actually, there's a brake. See? And it's
All right. All right, go ahead, man.
Daddy, this is so fast.
It's going to be fast. That thing's got speed. It's like a roadster now. Whoa, my goodness, hon, what have I done?
Faster than the cars. Just freaking.
You did. Like, it goes faster than what cars? You think about it?
The really fast cars.
Yeah.
Oh yeah.
Do you like it a lot? He can drift because of the brakes. Oh my goodness. Yeah, I saw it slide. A little spin, yeah.
I'm gonna do big spin.
Yeah, you have to turn the wheel and then hit the brakes. That's how you get it to spin. It's called sliding. That's how you get it to slide, drift. There you go. That wasn't bad.
I took my foot off the brake.
Yeah, that's called drifting. If you do a turn and then hit the brakes, it'll drift.
That's sliding.
Yeah, that's sliding. Yep. Nice job. Yeah, nice job. Whoa!
Turn to the bird.
Nice work. Nice work, son.
Turn the other way and turn the other way too.
Yeah, good job.
I see. That's it.
You guys are holding a chick. Here, smile for the camera.
Cheese.
Look at you holding those chicks.
Look.
You guys are doing so good.
Look. Paint it. Paint. Paint. See, paint.
Paint.
Oh, that's it. You like that? Right down there.
You need a screwdriver?
Yeah. That's too fast. This mine is too fast.
Oh, shucks. I didn't get it in.
Pets.
All right, I need to use that.
Mine is
Here. I could get you a different one. You want a different one?
Yeah. Where's your papa? My little one. My little one.
Little one?
My little one.
Okay, here. Little one.
Little one?
Little one.
Yeah.
Do you like that little one?
Yeah, little one.
Little one.
Look. See?
Mm-hmm.
Hey. Mommy, hey.
What do you have?
Chick. Chick.
Are you swinging with a chick?
Yeah, we chick.
Swing with the chick. What does the chick think of swinging?
Chick.
And this guy's spinning. The chick
It had its head like the whole way out.
That is pretty funny.
Hey, Daddy, give me the battery. Give me the big battery.
What do you need a battery for, son?
I need it so I don't spin. Oh. I'm loading onto the four-wheeler. Oh, I'm so strong because I'm red.
Actually, I need to remove the wheel.
You have to. I do. Have this, okay?